Hello friends, on this video how you can increase your camera video quality on Oppo mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all friends, here you have to move on camera. After you move on camera, you have to click on video. Okay, when you tap on video, from here you can see setting options. So friends, here you have to click on setting. When you click on setting, from here you have to scroll on the down, and here you can see this option of the video resolution. So friends, just tap on video resolution. If you want to increase your video quality friends, you just tap on the first icon. Your video resolution will be high. Okay, it will be increased successfully to full HD, and if you want low HD, then just tap on HD. Okay, here's the 720p. Okay, if you want to increase, then just tap on the first icon. Okay friends, so I just click on the back button, and before you follow the steps, don't forget to click on restore defaults. Okay, when you tap on restore defaults, then only select this video resolution so that your video quality will work properly. Okay friends, so friends,